Asterisk the bird who could dance asterisk in a forest. There lived a bird named Luna. She loved music and could dance like a pro. Whenever she heard a beat, Luna would spin, twirl, and sway. One day, a group of animals invited Luna to their party. Luna danced, mesmerizing everyone. The animals cheered, encore. Encore, Luna's dance was so magical that it made the flowers bloom and the trees sway. From that day on, Luna was known as the dancing bird, spreading joy wherever she flew.